Valuable Hotel Hacks, Part 4. Don't let yourself be abandoned. Mobile phones are now a traveler's best buddy, especially if they're trying to reach far-off friends and relatives. Finding your way around a new city with the various helpful apps and maps on your phone can be a lifesaver. It makes sense to pack a portable power source because phones have become so necessary. This will ensure that your life-saving device never runs out of juice. Choose one that is portable and stylish to bring on lengthy flights. Do some workout before you travel. It can be brutal to spend a lot of time in a car or on an aircraft. This is particularly true if you're used to receiving a lot of exercise every day. You should therefore exercise before leaving. Burn off any surplus energy by working out in the gym or going for a run. You might even sleep more quickly when flying. Make new pals. In the real world, it's difficult to plan a trip with your old buddies. In addition to numerous other factors, it can be challenging to come to an agreement on a specific date. Even so, having a companion to share your activities with is pleasant. Fortunately, there are applications like Backpacker and Travel Buddies that make it easy to connect with other travelers for these very purposes. If you want, you can communicate, get together, and travel together. You can at the very least share travel tips and tricks. Finding your way easily. Use a map to familiarize yourself with the area before setting off on an excursion. Wireless connections are not always assured, and your network provider may experience roaming connectivity issues where you are going. When you have time for a quick study, download the map. If Google Maps can't be accessed while you're out in the field, you can still use your offline version to get where you need to go. The secret is spontaneity. For people who are sick of uniformity, a long flight or travel to a new city or nation can provide a break from daily life. It represents a fresh beginning and an energetic, impulsive perspective. There is a certain magic about traveling there unexpectedly and without the usual constraints. Enjoy a trip without a set schedule and follow where the day leads you. How tranquil and educational such an adventure can be may surprise you. Integrate with the community. Instead of traveling to well-known tourist locations for selfies, explore the area and get to know the residents. The process of progressively learning a new language and becoming engaged in cultures and traditions that are different from your own can be interesting. With the help of the app Party with a Local, you may mingle with the locals and, of course, go out to parties with them. Also, it offers up-to-date recommendations for local hangouts that you can visit. Backpacking and touring. It takes more careful planning to embark on a tour or hiking trip. Alternatively, trying to become the experienced traveler that all backpackers are assumed to be could rapidly become expensive and time-consuming. You don't have to unpack your belongings every time you check into a hostel for a brief stay. Take out only what is necessary, and make a list of what those items will be. To save time getting ready for the next outing, keep them nearby in your luggage. Sign up for a loyalty program. Join a hotel loyalty club to get greater deals. Most large hotel companies offer one, and most of them allow free membership. For loyalty program members who make direct reservations, hotels frequently provide a variety of perks, including free nights, room upgrades, and complimentary meals. Also, if you have a limited amount of hotel points that you are unlikely to spend, you can transfer them to your travel companion. Access the lounge. The club lounge in your hotel offers discounts on food and beverages. Hotel club lounges naturally range in size and caliber, but they often offer free snacks and non-alcoholic beverages at the very least. One approach to gain access to a hotel club lounge is to reserve a room that includes lounge access. Another method is to keep making reservations at the same hotel and accrue points until you attain elite level status. Purchase a digital room key. Don't forget to add your room's digital key when you check into the hotel. Download the hotel's mobile app to do this. This accomplishes two things. It allows you to access your room and ensures that you never lose track of your room number. Get an additional room key. This easy method is for you if you prefer to maintain real goods over digital ones and are not the digital kind. This will enable you to charge your electronics while outside the room if the hotel where you are staying demands that you have a key card inserted. Due to the fact that you won't have to worry about losing a card, this is especially helpful if you're traveling alone. Never unpack a suitcase on a bed. Avoid the urge to unpack right away after checking into your hotel room and placing your suitcase on the bed. Avoid doing this. This bag has clearly been through this airport a number of times before. Use a baggage rack to prop up and unload your soiled suitcases rather than placing them on the bed. They are located in the closet of your hotel room. Obtain neighboring rooms. If your family is large, you should probably reserve more than one room. In that situation, adjacent rooms might be preferred to two unconnected ones. Bring your own coffee and tea making supplies. It is a good idea to bring your tea or coffee with you on your next trip if you enjoy caffeine. Several hotels provide tea and coffee makers, a few paper cups, and 2 or 3 sachets of tea or coffee each room. Come prepared and get your day started right instead of wasting time each morning asking the front desk to get you coffee. Choose what you want from the minibar without paying too much. We have a solution for you if you want to plunder the minibar for snacks and beverages but don't want to shell out the outrageous upcharge that hotels typically impose. Before you consume anything, simply take pictures of the contents of the mini fridge, and then the next morning, just before you check out, replace it with the exact same items. Please like, subscribe, and comment.